Everybody, Jim King Piers, back out here in Independence, Missouri. This is a Stone Foundation project. We're going to put some King Pier 1s at some strategic areas. We're going to put two right in here. This brick is leaned out, bulged out about 3 inches. We're going to do a lift, but getting the tilt back on it, I would cause more damage on the inside of the house doing it. I may have to lift it too much to get it tilted, so I think what we're going to do here is we're going to take all this down and chip all the mortar out from around the brick and remortar it back in to where it's nice and straight with the rest of the house. So on the back side of the house, we got some piers going. We're going to work on the porch. On the inside of the house, we got some Stone Foundation renovation. Stay tuned as we progress. It's like winter time again, so we're waiting for it to warm up. Makes it a lot easier. So for all your foundation piering needs, if your house is sinking, if your walls are leaning in or out, give us a call. 816-288-4373. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Don't forget to check us out on YouTube. When you get there, please subscribe. Thank you.